Unboxing. What's in the magic box? Opening a new smartphone. Box is like unwrapping a birthday present you bought for yourself. The Vivo V50 arrives in a sleek, elegant box that screams premium. Inside you'll find the Vivo V50 itself, wrapped like a treasure. A 90-watt fast charger, because waiting for your phone to charge is so 2025. A USB Type-C cable, which, thankfully, is not one of those weak ones that break after 2 bends. A SIM ejector tool, because using a safety pin is for amateurs. A transparent protective case, because Vivo knows you're clumsy. Some paperwork, which you'll probably never read. Design and build. Beauty and the Beast. The Vivo V50 is a stunner, sleek, stylish, and premium, with a quad curved glass design that makes it feel more expensive than it actually is. It comes in 3 colors. Titanium gray, for people who like things simple and classy. Rose red, for those who like a little sass in their gadgets. Starry night, because who doesn't want their phone to look like a galaxy? The glass back, on the rose red and starry night variants, is fancy, but also a fingerprint magnet, so get ready to wipe it every 10 minutes. The titanium gray version is lighter because it has a plastic back, but still feels solid. Oh, and it's IP68 and IP69 rated, which means it can survive dust, splashes, and accidental dips in the sink when you're washing dishes while watching YouTube. Display. Like having a tiny IMAX in your pocket. The 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad-curved AMOLED display is buttery smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels like slicing through butter. And the peak. Brightness of 4500 nits is so bright you could probably use it as a flashlight in an emergency. Watching videos on this screen is chef's kiss. Colors pop. Blacks are deep, and the screen is super responsive. And guess what? It's protected by diamond shield glass. So unless you have a habit of throwing your phone like a frisbee, it should hold up well. Performance. Fast, smooth, and smarter than you. Probably. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 packs a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is pretty powerful for a mid-range phone. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, it flies through multitasking like a squirrel on caffeine. Gaming. Absolutely. Even heavy games like Genshin Impact and PUBG run smoothly at high settings. Plus, the FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15, is well optimized, so the phone doesn't feel bloated. Bonus. Vivo is promising 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security updates, so it won't become outdated anytime soon. Camera. Smile. Your phone takes better pictures than you do. The camera system is where the Vivo V50 really flexes its muscles. Rear cameras. Thumpsy Mapit Man Sensor OmniVision OV50E with OIS, so your shaky hands won't ruin your masterpiece. 50-meter ultra-wide sensor, 1 times field of view. Because sometimes, your squad is just too big for a regular lens. Front camera, 50-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung, ISOCELL JN1 sensor. Because you deserve high-definition selfies. And here's where it gets cool. The Zeiss optics mean your photos look crisp and detailed. It has tons of portrait styles and bokeh effects, so you can pretend you're a professional photographer. Exclusive India feature, Wedding Portrait Studio. In case you ever crash a wedding and want to take cinematic photos like in Bollywood movies, low light performance, surprisingly good. The night mode actually works instead of just making things blurry. Battery and charging, no more. Battery anxiety. This phone won't die on you mid-Instagram. Scroll, because it packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. Even with heavy use, it lasts a full day and a half. And if you do manage to kill the battery, and no problem, the 90W fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. Just enough time to grab a snack. Extras. Because small things matter. Dual stereo speakers. Loud enough to make your friends jealous. In-display fingerprint scanner. Fast and accurate. 5G connectivity. Because buffering is unacceptable in 2025. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 for lightning-fast connections. Final verdict. Should you buy it? Absolutely. The Vivo V50 is a fantastic mid-range phone that punches well above its weight. For the price, you get a premium design that turns heads, a fantastic display that makes content look amazing, powerful performance that doesn't slow down, a killer camera system that makes your old phone feel outdated, a battery that refuses to die. The only downsides: glass back, UV fingerprint magnet. Fun Touch OS still has bloatware, but it's improving. No wireless charging, but 90W wired is faster anyway. Final score, 9/10. If you want a flagship-like experience at a mid-range price, the Vivo V50 is a no-brainer. Now go flex your new phone.